in area 0. Now I make this as a area 1, so you will get OIA because it is coming from different area. It is coming from inter area. So whatever route you are receiving in the OSPF from the different area, you will have OIA. So now let's see, you should get now here, I will write here show IP route, and you can see here, or let me do the show IP route, show IP route OSPF. So now again you have something wrong here, or maybe it will take time to form the neighborship. I will do fast forward and then we will check here. 50 network is not coming. Just now 50 network came, but now if you see 60 is coming, 50 is not coming here. 60, 50 we assign here only. Maybe we do misconfiguration, we need to check show IP interface brief. You see here we have this one is coming, this one is not going there. And we done everything same for both, right? Show IP route OSPF, here you are getting the route, you are getting 1, you are not receiving 1, okay, 1 dot something you are not receiving here. So something wrong from here to here, I think, but you are getting 10, you are getting here, if you see this side you are not getting 1 dot something, means not 1 dot, here we have, here we divide 10, okay, and you have 20. Now you have 2 subnet here also, 10, 20. So this side you have 2. So if you see you are getting 10 but you are not getting 20, you are getting 4. 4 is coming from where, which place? From here. So 4 is still we did not modify, so no need to worry. From here you should have 10 and 20. You are not getting, you are getting 10 here, okay, you are getting 20 here, so this one is good. Now you should have 12 and 14. So this is a 12 network, this is a 14 network, so this is also good. And here this side you have 30 and 40. So here should be 30 and 40 because we done the sub interface here. So you are getting 30, 40 also. So this one is also good, and here you have only 1, so this is good. Everything is we are getting here. This one is good. Now let's see here. Here you are getting or not. So let me write here. Here if you see 4 you are getting, so no worries, 4 we can leave. Then after that you are standing here. So you will get 23, okay, you will get 34, okay, and 30 you will get here 30, 40. So 30, 40 is coming here, and 34 you are getting here, that is also okay. You are getting 60 but you are not getting 50 here. 60 you are getting from 2 path from here one side, and 12 dot and 14 dot, okay, that is okay. But 50 is not coming, so we need to check again why 50 is not coming. Here only we are advertising 50. If you see we have show IP route, we have 50 here only. Or let me write show IP interface brief, we have 50 here only. So something we done wrong here. Let's see what I will do. I will make this interface f1/0.50. I will write shut, I will write no shut, and I will write IP OSPF 1 area 1, okay, and I will save the configuration. Let's see, now we will have this route. Yeah, now everything is good. Maybe we have the bug in the packet tracer, but now if you see you are getting this 50 here, you are getting 50 there. I should have 60 also with the same thing, because 60, 50 both are coming from different area. So why 60 is not coming? We need to check again here why 60 is not giving that one. Where is the 60 interface? I will go interface f1/0.60. I will write here shut, and then I will write no shut, and here IP OSPF 1 area 1. Okay, now let's see, 60 should also get here, but OIA 60 is gone here, maybe it will come after. Yeah, see, now it is okay. Before 60 is having some issue. I don't know what is the issue, but when we make the interface down and up and advertise again, so it is coming. So this router is receiving the route from different area. If you see, this router is receiving the route from different area. This is area 1, this is all are area 0. What we can say, this route is whatever here network we are using. I will correct here, maybe you will confuse here. So here we are using 50, okay, and then we are using more thing is 60 here. So 50, 60 we are using, and you are receiving that one in this router now, both. OIA, you need to understand this. OIA, if you write without OSPF, you will have the code also here written. If you see here, IA is coming from inter area. Inter means different area. If you are receiving the route from different area, then you will have IA. Okay, then you will have IA, like you have here IA. So this is from the OSPF only. You are receiving this route from OSPF only, but from different area. You need to remember this is coming from different area. So this is simple only, not that much tough. And you can ping and check whatever we done before, it is working or not before moving to the next topic. Okay, so what we can say, I can ping and check now. Okay, I can ping and check now. So let me do that. Before, if you remember, something we ping this PC or that PC, it is not working. So now check, because now we have the route, so it should work. Now we have the route, so it should work. Let's try. Yeah, now it is working. So there is some issue when we change the area. Before we have the OSPF is running, so OSPF old routes are present in the router, so you need to clear IP OSPF process. When we reset the process, then you have the correct route. Okay, and before it is working, now also it is working. You can check in another router also. You can go there and you can write here show IP route or show IP route OSPF, and check here you are getting the route correctly here also. OIA, you need to remember OIA is you are receiving, because you are learning this route from different area, not from your same area. If you write here show IP process, you can see here what you are getting here. This one number of area in this router is one normal area, and this is a router ID, this is a process.